Cooking with Fallon. Hey guys, today we're gonna be making pho. My abs have started coming in because of all this pho that I'm eating. So what the pho is up? What the pho? First of all, let's take off our clothes. Honestly, I'm really sorry about that. That was really unnecessary. I probably made you really uncomfortable. So what we need to do right now is we need to heat up our water for our rice noodles. And I want to show you guys the dry ingredients. We are actually going to take all of our dry ingredients and we are going to char them in a pot. This pot has some oil on it. For our dry ingredients that we're going to heat up in this hot pan, we need cinnamon sticks. Does it taste like cinnamon now? Alright, so we're charring this. I don't know if you need oil for that, but I'm just simply going to place the cinnamon sticks on top of the pan. Next, you need cloves. They're like little flowers almost. Goździki, they call it in Polish. They smell amazing. Wow, so everything's kind of burning over here. I don't know if you see this like smoke, but it smells amazeballs. Let's take this coriander. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, please have mercy. Good Lord. I'll have you know that I'm a famously amazing cook. Oh, it's really burning now. Release me! It's ginger. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna cut this into parts. And then we're also going to do the same thing. We're gonna roast it on the pan.
Yeah. Oh baby, how was that supposed to? That something wasn't right here.
Alright, now we're adding this really beautiful seasoning called star anise. Anise. And I guess we have to do the same thing, so char it a little bit. So I now threw all of the onions inside of here, and now my rice noodles are cooking. So basically we're creating like a seasoning broth, and then we're going to use that broth. We're gonna strain that broth, and then we're gonna use that broth to put it into our actual bone broth. Okay, so I basically strained it all and I put it into here. And I decided I'm gonna give it one more try to see if I can make more broth out of this. But now I have basically this brown seasoned full liquid, and I'm gonna use that right now to make my pho. I'm just going to progressively add broth. This is bone broth. Beef bone broth. I finally made the broth. It looks delicious and it smells really good. And now I gotta clean up the big ol' mess I made. So let's do a little time transition because it's gonna take me like an hour to clean up this big ol' mess. I'm actually gonna throw this outside because I think it's perfect compost for the dirt. Do you ever just like do like a daily task or something, and then the thought of some person that hurt your feelings many years ago enters your brain and literally destroys it essentially, because you can't function because for some reason you're obsessed with thinking about people who aren't in your life anymore. Well, that's me. I am that person. I still have feelings for people who have done me dirty. If you're a vegan, then you need to leave. You need to leave. You need to leave. This is a vegan, unfriendly space. I'm gonna chop it up into pieces, cook it in the water, and then put it into the pho, and put the broth into the pho too. Alrighty, let's do a taste test, y'all. Oh wow. That is magnificent. Wow. Alright, bye guys, I'm going. I'm gonna eat this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye.